This motorhome doesn't just carry your luggage, it carries an entire car inside it and still feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. You're looking at the Concorde Liner 1090 GIO for 2026, and this thing completely redefines what luxury travel even means. Because this is not a camper, not even a regular motorhome, this is a moving penthouse built on a truck chassis, designed for people who don't compromise on space, power, or comfort. At first glance, the size alone hits you. Over 11 meters long, nearly 4 meters tall, and built on a heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz Actros platform. What makes this model truly insane is what it can carry. The GO in its name stands for a completely reimagined rear garage system. And this isn't your typical storage space. This is a full-scale, hydraulic car garage capable of carrying an actual vehicle, like a Fiat 500, a Mini Cooper, or even a smart car. Think about that for a second. You're driving a motorhome with another car inside it. The hydraulic platform can lift up to 1,800 kilograms. You simply lower the rear loading platform, drive your car onto it, secure it using airline-style lashing rails, and lift it back up seamlessly into the rear garage. There's even a built-in winch system to assist with loading. And the floor itself is reinforced with rippled aluminum plating, designed to handle heavy loads without stress. This changes everything about how you travel. Now step inside and everything changes. The first thing you notice is the one-level floor design. There are no steps anywhere, not from the cockpit to the living area, not to the bedroom. It feels like walking through a luxury apartment, not a vehicle. The living area is designed to feel open, elegant, and comfortable at the same time. You've got a premium seating arrangement, perfectly shaped for long hours of relaxation. Across from it, there's a full media wall with a large TV, and right beside it, an illuminated glass cabinet that adds a subtle, upscale touch. Lighting plays a huge role here. The ambient lighting system uses soft, indirect LED zones throughout the cabin. You get these frosted light circles that create a calm, warm atmosphere, especially at night. It doesn't feel like artificial lighting, it feels natural and relaxing. Privacy is also handled intelligently. There's an aluminum front blind system combined with a specialized privacy screen. You can let light in while blocking visibility from outside, which is perfect when you're parked in public areas. Move into the kitchen, and it feels like something straight out of a high-end apartment. The worktop is made from a mineral composite material, giving it a solid, premium feel. You've got a stainless steel 3-burner hob with a glass cover, a seamless sink integrated into the surface, and a 28-liter gas oven. And then there's the refrigerator, a 177-liter AES system that automatically switches between power sources depending on what's available. Whether you're connected to electricity, running on gas, or using battery power, it handles everything on its own. Storage is everywhere, but it's hidden and organized. There are dedicated spaces for glassware, integrated waste systems, and cabinets designed specifically for travel, so nothing moves around while you're driving. Now move toward the rear, and you enter the bedroom area. This is where the luxury really hits. The main bed is a full king-size setup, measuring 2,000 by 1,800 millimeters. It uses a cold foam mattress with a solid slatted base, giving you proper support, not just something that feels good for a night or two, but something you could sleep on long term. Above the front living area, there's also a pull-down bed that provides additional sleeping space. It's not an afterthought, it's a fully usable, comfortable bed designed for 2 people. The bedroom also has its own media wall and ambient lighting setup, so it feels like a completely separate space, not just an extension of the living area. Right next to it, you get a full spa-style bathroom. And this isn't just marketing language, it actually feels like a proper bathroom. There's a separate real glass shower, not a plastic enclosure. The toilet is porcelain, connected to a massive 300-liter waste tank. The sink is finished in Carrara Bianco, giving it that clean, marble-like appearance. Even the fittings are high-end, with chrome single-lever mixers and a towel radiator connected to the heating system. You also get mirrored cabinets and dedicated storage for all your essentials. Now, let's talk about comfort, because this motorhome is built to handle any climate. It uses an Alde hydronic heating system, which is one of the best systems available. Instead of blowing hot air, it circulates warm liquid through radiators, creating a more even, natural heat distribution. And it's not just one system, it's divided into multiple zones. You've got 4 cabin zones and 2 underfloor zones, all independently adjustable. That means you can keep the bedroom cooler, the living area warmer, and still maintain overall efficiency. For off-grid living, this thing is fully prepared. You've got a 400-liter freshwater tank and a 300-liter wastewater tank, giving you the ability to stay independent for extended periods without needing to refill or empty constantly. And when you combine that with the massive storage capacity, the onboard systems, and the overall build quality, this motorhome isn't just for short trips. It's designed for full-time living. Now, of course, all of this comes at a price. A fully equipped Concorde Liner 1090 GIO can easily exceed €800,000, and that puts it at the very top of the motorhome market. But when you really break it down, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying a complete lifestyle, a system that allows you to travel anywhere, live comfortably, and bring everything you need, including your car, without compromise. And that's what makes this motorhome different. It's not about camping. It's not about minimalism. It's about taking everything you love about a luxury home and putting it on the road. So whether you're crossing countries, living off-grid, or just escaping the city for a few weeks, the Concorde Liner 1090 GIO doesn't ask you to adjust your lifestyle. It brings your lifestyle with you. And the deeper you go, the more you realize this isn't just about luxury. It's about control. Control over where you go, how long you stay, and how little you depend on anything outside this vehicle. Because once you're inside, everything is designed to remove friction from your daily life. Take the driving experience, for example. You'd expect something this size, over 11 meters long and weighing 18 tons, to feel intimidating. But the reality is very different. The Mercedes-Benz Actros platform is built for commercial transport, meaning it's designed to handle long distances, heavy loads, and constant use without fatigue. The steering is precise, the suspension absorbs imperfections effortlessly, and the elevated driving position gives you a commanding view of the road. You're not just driving, you're gliding. Long highway stretches feel calm and stable, and even when conditions aren't perfect, the sheer weight and engineering of the chassis keep everything planted. Crosswinds, uneven roads, long climbs, this thing handles them with quiet confidence. And when you finally arrive at your destination, that's where the real advantage begins. Parking a vehicle this size might sound like a challenge, but that's exactly why the Geo Garage exists. If you think this is crazy, wait till you see what's coming next. Instead of trying to squeeze into tight city streets or crowded areas, you simply park outside, maybe near a scenic viewpoint, a quiet countryside spot, or even a designated motorhome area. Then, within minutes, your entire approach to mobility changes. See you in the next video.